Hello, my name is Warren Lant. I'm a sales representative here at Rhinox, serving customers in the construction industry in the UK and across North America. My main focus is to help our customers get the best attachments suited for their excavator by offering the full range that Rhinox has to offer, and most importantly, making sure they receive the correct attachment for their task in hand. In my free time, I really enjoy spending time in the great outdoors, which can vary from anything such as mountain biking in the Lake District to kayaking along the Yorkshire coast. Over the years of my career in supplying the construction industry, one of the key challenges faced by a lot of our customers is machine downtime. Therefore, the most important purpose of my role is to ensure our customers receive their Rhinox attachment on time, in full and correct, to help reduce downtime so that they can meet the deadlines that they've committed to. If you have any questions, please get in touch with me. I'll be glad to assist you with your requirements. Thank you very much.